Did you hear the news? China may have just realized they have a serious problem. In March 2025, while many were unaware, a groundbreaking change occurred. The United States introduced an advanced weapon system that rewrites modern air warfare. This announcement came on March 21, 2025, from the U.S. Air Force, sending shockwaves globally. Boeing was awarded the contract for the F-47, America's first true sixth-generation fighter. Now, here's where it gets mind-blowing. The F-47 isn't just a jet, it's a weapon system. The Air Force refers to it as NGAD, or Next Generation Air Dominance. This means the F-47 operates as part of a larger system, not flying solo. Imagine a pilot controlling a swarm of smart combat drones. These are called collaborative combat aircraft. They assist the F-47, extend its reach, and take risks human pilots shouldn't. We're talking about strategic warfare at hypersonic speeds. This system is built for one chilling scenario, a conflict in the Pacific, where precision and distance matter. Now, let's talk about the F-22 Raptor, once the king of the skies. It's still a formidable fighter, but it has limitations. Its combat radius relies on aerial tankers, making it vulnerable. In the Pacific, those tankers are slow targets. This creates a need for a more capable solution. Enter the F-47. This fighter can do what the F-22 cannot. Details about the F-47 remain classified, but some specs have emerged. Imagine a combat radius of over 1,000 nautical miles, double that of most current fighters. It can reach top speeds exceeding Mach 2, over 1,500 miles per hour. In terms of stealth, it's beyond anything flying today. The F-47 utilizes advanced materials, making it invisible on radar compared to older models. And the U.S. Air Force plans to acquire more than 185 of these incredible planes. But speed and stealth are just starting points. The F-47's true strength lies in its coordination with drones and sensors. This changes the dynamics of aerial warfare. So, why is China concerned? The F-47 was designed to counter China's military strategy in the Pacific. This strategy relies on anti-access and area denial. China has amassed thousands of missiles, complex radar networks, and electronic warfare systems to maintain control. The F-47 disrupts all of this. With its long-range capabilities, it transforms the battlefield. It can strike targets deeply without needing vulnerable tankers. It can overwhelm defenses through multi-angle attacks. The F-47 makes China's expensive defensive strategy redundant. Now, let's address the financial aspect. The contract for the F-47 is huge. Reports suggest it's worth over $20 billion, but could exceed $100 billion over time when factoring in future costs. For Boeing, this contract is a crucial win after recent challenges. Moreover, the Air Force emphasizes digital engineering to prevent the delays seen with previous programs. They aim to expedite development and introduce the F-47 quickly. Their ambition targets the first flight around 2028, an aggressive target. Most sixth-generation programs typically take 10 to 15 years, yet the Air Force is aiming for just 3. Can they succeed? Technology's advancement suggests it's possible, but history warns us to expect delays. Regardless, even a slight delay will still result in a rapid introduction to the air combat arena. The F-47 isn't just another fighter. It's the centerpiece of a new way to wage aerial warfare. Picture this: one pilot directing multiple drones, seamlessly integrating networked sensors to achieve dominance in the skies. This is the future of air combat. It's not a futuristic dream, it's happening now. The U.S. Air Force is building capabilities into its core design principles, making range and adaptability fundamental. If the F-47 performs as anticipated, the nature of aerial conflict will shift entirely. Forget traditional dogfights. Welcome to a new era of coordinated machine speed dominance, where pilots command unseen robotic attacks. This represents a generational leap in air combat capability, sending shockwaves through other nations. For those following this story, the focus should not be on hearsay. Instead, monitor official milestones and budget developments alongside the drone program. This isn't just about a single aircraft, but the entire future of warfare. To keep track of such stories, subscribe to PilotScope TV and hit the notification bell for updates. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Will the F-47 meet expectations, or is it another costly defense project? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next week's video on China's response. You won't want to miss it.